Boiling a perfect egg is an art. Here's the way to do it. Eggs boiled straight from the fridge are more likely to crack. Use eggs at room temperature. Poke a hole in the bottom of the eggshell with a pin or an egg piercer. This allows the air to escape from the egg's air cell, making it less likely to crack while cooking. Cover the eggs with cold water from the tap. Make sure the eggs fit snugly in the pot. All eggs should be just covered with water so they cook evenly and at the same rate. If your pot is too large, it will change the cooking time and may cause the eggs to bump against the sides of the pot and break. Bring the water to a boil over high heat. Boil 3.5 minutes for a soft egg. 4.5 minutes for an egg with a solidified white and soft yolk, and 7.5 minutes for a hard egg. Alternately, you can boil the water first and then add the eggs. When the water has just come to a boil, put each egg on a spoon and carefully slide it into the pot. Keep the water at a gentle boil so the eggs won't roll around too much and possibly break. Once they're in the pot, let the eggs sit in the water for 4.5 minutes for a soft egg, 6 minutes for an egg with a solidified white and soft yolk, and 8 minutes for a hard egg. After cooking, shock the eggs under cold running water for a few seconds. This will stop the cooking process and make it easier to peel the eggs. And that's how you boil eggs.